For a U-channel installation, we need our drill with our PH2 bit, our installation screws, and our 5mm drill to do some pilot holes. The first thing I have to explain is that with the U-channel, it comes with two profiles, the big U, which is this one here, and the little U. Now the big one is always for the top, and the small U is always for the bottom. So today I'm going to show you the screw method. However, sometimes I also just use double-sided tape and just stick these profiles in place, particularly if I've got a tiles in a bathroom, for example. I'm going to use my 5mm drill to put some holes in both the profiles, the top and bottom, and that's where my screws are going to go. Drill, drill, and then I'm going to push it along a bit further and drill, drill, and then I'm going to spin it around and drill, drill. So the larger U channels for the top, let's use our screws and get that screwed in place. So the top channel is secure. Let's do the smaller U channel for the bottom and we'll get that screwed in place. So now it's time to install our panels, and what we're going to do is we're going to lift it into the top U channel first, like a sliding window or a wardrobe door, and we're going to hold it over the bottom channel and then let it sit down in position. So let's get that done. So simple installation, done in a jiffy. If you need any help, just reach out to iSleep Blinds.